Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading Corporation. What we're showing you today, this is by Vanguard Pharmaceutical Machinery. It's their VP3 capsule and tablet printer. As you can see, it works like most of these do. Has this hopper transfer device which uses a disc in the bottom with the corresponding size of your capsule or tablet or capsule on there, and then has a printing mechanism, which I know some of you are familiar with. We'll just give you a quick look here. This loosens up. You can open this guard up, actually see the operation inside. Now you'll see the upper rubber silicone roller you see there, the red one, is not moving. It's free spinning. And you'll see what happens here. There's a small handle on the end. This allows the printing mechanism to move in. And you'll see, if you look through, and you'll see the one roller, the bottom roller carries the offset printed image from this roller here, which has got a laser etched code in there, and then the blue roller is the scraper, and that's the reservoir down below. So there's a small adjustment right here. I can show you. So this would put pressure, so you start to turn there when you reach the tablet wheel. Then of course, once it passes the printing zone right here, it would fall directly down into that chute, which is the chute right here. Now of course this might be on the edge of this table, but it came to us sitting on this table, and that's how we're going to leave it. So if you like the table, congratulations. And you see we can just crank it back out. The unit's operating on 220 single-phase voltage. You know, the air on right now, we have tested it. It has a number of little air jets for cleaning, wiping any excess off the offset print roller. Controls right here. You can see it's variable speed. You can control the speed right here. With the machine, there's a couple of spare discs. One seems to be about the same size and a larger caplet. Some small parts. Little toolkit here. In here are also some, in addition to the tools, these are some additional coating wheels. And there's about 5 of them in there. We haven't opened any up, see what they say. If they're of value to you, great. We have lots of equipment in process and packaging in our inventory, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.